Now here are the reasons why I regret replacing the Blink video doorbell with the Ring video doorbell. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide DIY. Let's dive in. Now when I first went with the Blink video doorbell, I loved it because of its sleek design, and when I signed on, we were already a Blink family, and so I just installed it and added it to the system. It was a breeze. When I first signed on with other cameras in the house, there's no video storage cost as long as you maintained it below a certain threshold. So I just periodically go in there for any videos that are stored. I just delete them because I don't need them. Not so with the Ring. With the Ring, when I set it up, I had to have a subscription if I wanted to access any of the stored video. I would get a notification on my phone saying there was a violation, but I had no way to see what the violation was. The only option I had was live video feed, and by that point, the assailant was gone, the cat was gone, the neighbor was gone. There's a subscription fee on a monthly or annual basis, and that adds up over time. But you may ask, what led me to the Ring video doorbell? Well, the Ring offers some fantastic features, including advanced motion detection and integration with other smart devices. It also has a sleek design. I couldn't resist the allure of the Ring ecosystem. You've seen it advertised, but it came at a cost. What cost? Not only the cost of the unit, but the monthly subscription fee. But like I said, with the Blink, there was no monthly subscription fee. With the Ring, there is. I could access and download my videos from the Blink system. I couldn't even access the videos on the Ring without that subscription. As I said, we were already a Blink family, so adding the Ring to the system was just another app that we had to contend with, especially when we had other Blink cameras in the house. The Ring was just another app that we had to set up and maintain. The Blink may not have all the bells and whistles of the Ring, but it does remain subscription fee for us. I've had no surprise bills, and it's been reliable. Another thing is, the Ring offers this community feature where you're part of a network, which may be attractive for you, but for me it was just a nuisance to find that somebody saw a stray cat or a stray dog. It also lets you know when there's thunderstorms in the area. Well, I already had that. While the Ring offers some incredible features, head-to-head I'd say the Blink gives me the video quality and motion detection that the Ring gives me. But it allows me to access the stored video. So there you have it. I hope my experience helps you make an informed decision on whether you want to get the Blink or the Ring video doorbell. If this video was helpful for you, be sure to click like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.